This video focuses Introduction to Python Modules and Packages by asking ChatGPT Introduction to Python Modules and Packages. With examples and code explanations, we can get the basic knowledge of Python modules and packages. In Python, modules and packages are essential building blocks for organizing and managing your code. They allow you to structure your program in a more maintainable and reusable way. Let's explore both concepts with examples. Example 1. Python modules. A module is a single file containing Python code. It can include functions, classes, and variables. You can import modules into other Python scripts to use the functions and classes defined within them. First, let's create a simple module. Create a Python file named mymodule.py and define two functions in it, greet and add. Now, create another Python file where we will import and use this module. In this example, we import the mymodule module and use its greet and add functions. The instruction is import mymodule. If you only want to import a specific function from a module, such as a greet, you can do this from mymodule import greet. Next, example 2. Python packages. A package is a collection of modules in a directory. It can also include sub-packages, directories inside directories. The main distinction between a package and a regular directory is the presence of an init.py file in the package directory, which can be empty but signals to Python that this directory should be treated as a package. First, let's create a simple package named my_package that contains module 1 and module 2. Step 1. Create a directory named my_package. Step 2. Create a file named init.py in the directory named my_package. This file makes Python treat the directory as a package. It can be empty or contain initialization code. Step 3. Create a file named module1.py in the directory named my_package. This file contains code for module 1. Step 4. Create a file named module2.py in the directory named my_package. This file contains code for module 2. Step 5. Let's define some code in module1.py and module2.py. Now, let's use this package in another script. In this example, we import module 1 and module 2 from my_package and use their respective functions. The instruction is from my_package import module 1, module 2. You can create sub-packages inside packages. Here's an example of a package with a sub-package. Pay attention to the following points. The directory name is the name of the package or sub-package. Each directory must include an init.py. Each directory can contain Python files, and each Python file is a module. As shown in the example, the command from my_package.sub_package import module 3 is used to import from a sub-package. Finally, let's take another look at the feature of modules and packages. Modules are single Python files that contain code, functions, variables, classes. Packages are directories containing multiple modules and an init.py file. Both modules and packages allow you to organize your code efficiently and reuse it across different parts of your project.